You've got the hang of the basics. Time to flex your superpowers. Noobs often create multiple workspaces for different areas of interest, but power users keep their content in one place and use tags to organize their workspace. This empowers you to build a web of relationships that folders simply can't match. Make a habit of tagging articles as soon as you've read them. Don't overthink it, it's easy to tidy them up later. Try using multiple tags. Add both a top-level one and a precision tag that's specific to the article. If an article spans 2 topics, add tags for both. Another great habit is clearing your queue. It's satisfying to know you're on top of your reading, and getting down to inbox 0 is proven to enhance productivity. You can always find old articles in your workspace if you need them again later. Our last power user hint is customizing your highlighter labels. Click on your user icon, then select Preferences. You can edit your labels however you like. If you're a student, you might want one for references and another for thesis. Professionals often replace the important and interesting labels with industry-specific ones that they'll need for work. These tips are just the beginning. As you explore further, you'll come up with your own techniques and make Mindstone your own.